Well, it's been a while, but welcome back to the Wayward Ornithopter video channel, where I'm going to look at one or two video effects you can use in post-processing to spice up your drone footage. This is some raw footage I took this morning, first time I've flown in months, just updated to the new firmware on the Bebop 2, which seems nice and stable, good flight and picture quality. Picture quality not great because the light wasn't wonderful, but just some footage of a local building site and a canal. Just to give a flavour of some of the things that you can do. I'm using Final Cut Pro. These apply to whatever software you're using, whether it's iMovie or Final Cut on the Mac or Photoshop. Just putting a letterbox on the screen, making it more widescreen, gives you a much more dynamic view, much easier on the eye, and certainly for landscapes makes the footage much more dramatic. And now what I'm doing here is I'm just popping the colours, just adjusting the greens and the blues a bit brighter, possibly overcooked it a little bit. The primary colours are much more primary, so they stand out an awful lot more, pop out from the screen. And you might want to do it as heavily as this. And this is an effect known as Tilt Shift. It's a plugin on most video packages. It's built into Final Cut Pro. And Tilt Shift makes the centre sharp focus and the periphery is blurred and soft focus. And it gives you that model village effect. The cars moving, as you can see, look like children's toys. And with the letterbox and the colours popped out. So that was a very brief drop in back onto the channel. I'm hoping that with good weather to come, I'll be getting some more video footage and putting some instruction videos up. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I'd really appreciate it if you did. With YouTube's change to terms and conditions, it helps me a lot if I've got the subscriber numbers up. But meanwhile, keep yourself, your drone and other people safe, and happy flying.